This is how you get chicks, boys. New member of the color guard team. He's ready to party.
Oh yeah, looks so good.
Yeah, look at my hair too.
What did you fall into, baby? The fairy dust?
Did you fall into some fairy dust?
Yeah. This lovely fairy right here.
Is it a part of the movie? Do you like the new look at least?
I think he's pulling it off.
I think if anyone pulls it off, it's you for sure. Would you mind being in the video?
I wouldn't mind, but...
Okay, sweet. You definitely check out the channel.
Wait a minute. What's your channel?
Supreme-Sweatyy.
I'll check you out.
Sweet.
Did you?
Yes, ma'am.
Perfect. Subscribe.
253.
Oh, yeah.
253. You gotta watch it. Hey, that was pretty cute.
It's so hard to get off.
That thing should be like death. That thing was loud.
Right now.
Did anyone jump?
The kid did.
This didn't even
Phase him. What the
Why is it
heck?
not affecting him, dude? It's so loud.
Whoa, who's that? Hey. What up, my brother?
What's up, dude? Long time no see, my dude.
Hey.
You like my new whip, bro?
Bro, hey, I'm digging it. I'm
Her
digging it.
name's Janet. Right, Billy?
Hey, yeah.
Janet,
Yes, sir.
y'all heading out?
Oh, yes, sir. We just
Aight.
got our gains, bro.
Just
We got the
them
car, bro.
Just got them gains in.
Yes, sir. Subscribe to Supreme-Sweatyy.
You heard him.
Can you try to chicken nuggets?
Chicken nuggets.
Delicious.
They're delicious.
Billy was saying shout out to McDonald's for their chicken nuggets.
Can you try a white berry? Hip, delicious.
They are delicious.
Yes, sir.
What's up, buddy?
What's up? Just chilling in the Night Rider.
Fresh whip.
Fresh off the lot,
Dude,
bro.
this thing is nice.
Old-
Spider-Man covers.
You see the old police car? I'm about to go and pull you cops over instead of you pulling me over.
He's gonna get a lady cop tonight.
What do you need glasses for?
So I can see.
You can't see now as you're flipping.
That's why I threw them to you.